Horses out, we have Bonjour, pass to begin, moving a party outside, Kim Possible, Tiger Boy, Janelle episode is done on the inside, and comes Princess Julian, Andorra, Tiger Epic, RGA, Sweet Eliza, unopposed, and trails the field is Euromax, and going along for the first turn, Janelle's episode goes on by about a length and a half, and in second is Kim Possible, Tiger Boy in third, down on the inside port, Bonjour, Princess Julian in fifth, Andorra is racing in 6, 5 lengths away in 7 is RGA, Tiger Epic, unopposed, then comes Sweet Eliza, and Euromax still trails the field by about 12 to 13 lengths of the leader, and nearing the fourth turn, Janelle's episode still in front, Tiger Boy now coming closer in second, and on the outside, Princess Julian, Kim Possible in fourth, Andorra now coming closer in fifth, Bonjour in sixth, then followed by RGA, unopposed, Tiger Epic, Euromax, and Sweet Eliza as they come down the last 200. And it's still Janelle's episode, Kim Possible, Tiger Boy, Andorra is on the outside. Janelle's episode, Kim Possible, Andorra is on the outside, unopposed, and entering the finish line, it's now Kim Possible. Janelle's episode, unopposed, then comes Andorra, RGA, and Tiger Boy.
7